So in this video I'm going to show you how to design YouTube thumbnail using Inshot video editor. So here we go. Without wasting much time, let us start. So this is my Inshot application. I'll now click on it like this, and I'll now wait for it to open. So this, you should follow this, watch this video till end so that you learn how to design a very nice thumbnail using this Inshot app. So after you enter like this, now you click on photo here. After you click on photo here, see several thumbnails that I have created. But now you click on this new, click new like this now. So already you have a screenshot of some image that you wanted to use there and so many things that you wanted to put there. So now I have a screenshot of what I'm trying to use. So now I'll now click on one picture like this now. So after I click on it like this now, I'll now click canvas so that to reshape it into a YouTube size. So then I'll now click on this 16:9, this size of YouTube size. After I reshape it like this, and you now draw this very line. You draw it so that it will expand the picture a little bit. You draw it like this, then you now can carry the picture, move to the left side. So after I carry it, you can even shift it, go up so that it will bring a better view. So after you do like this now, then you now come filter it. If you want to filter it, that is, you filter it like this. You can click bright here like this. Now the thing will look very bright. Then you can come adjust like this. Then you can use so many effects here. You can use so many filters here, so many effects, contrast, like warmth, hint, and all those things. But that one I will do a special video for that. So then you know as you did like now, if you want to add another picture apart from these two that you have seen here, you now can go look for PIP. This PIP, look at it now. You now click on PIP like this. Then they will now show you another picture. Then you pick from it. Let me carry this one like this now. If I carry this one now, you will now come enlarge it like this so that it will fit the screen. When you enlarge it like this, you now come like this. You now put it aside like this here now. So you now put it like this here. Then you now still filter it. When you come that filter, you now click this bright. You now click on that bright like this. Look at how this looks so brighter than the other one. But you can still filter it also. You can still adjust the brightness. You can adjust it. You can adjust it like this. Then the contrast, you can still adjust it like this. Then the warmth, you can still adjust it like this. You can adjust it like this. So then the other one too also, you can be able to adjust this one too. The main picture here, you can adjust the contrast. You can adjust the contrast. Then the warmth also, you can adjust it like this. You can adjust it like this. Then also the highlight, that is the highlight, you can increase the highlight like this small so that it will fit the other one. So look at how the thing look like. Then after reaching here, you now just click save. When you click save now, you will see it will save this thing to my gallery. After you save it like this now, it has been saved already. So if I go back to my gallery now, you will see the picture, the thumbnail there already, that you can use it for your YouTube video whenever you wanted to upload any YouTube video. You go to Inshot. Let me go to Inshot. Okay, look at it here now. Look at it here. This is the thumbnail. This is our thumbnail. So that is just, if you didn't understand, rewatch this video, like it, comment, and subscribe to this channel so that you understand this tutorial from nitty gritty.